Hey, so I'm Lieutenant Colonel Gonçalves. I go by Splinter. I'm the commander of the Portuguese F-16 Enhanced Air Policing mission here in Ämari Air Force Base. So we are here to protect the Baltic airspace, and we are on a posture of a quick reaction alert phase, and we are ready to scramble our F-16s in case there's a need to do that. So anytime we have, for example, a Russian airplane that is crossing in international airspace and is not responding to ATC commands, then in that case you need to scramble, go there, intercept the airplanes, interrogate them, and provide further information to NATO.